Welcome to Marbella, the jewel of Spain's Costa del Sol. From stunning beaches and vibrant nightlife to rich history and world-class dining, this Mediterranean paradise has it all. Whether you're a culture enthusiast, a foodie, or someone looking for a luxurious getaway, Marbella promises unforgettable experiences. In this video, we're taking you through the 10 best places to visit in Marbella, each offering something unique, beautiful, and unforgettable. So grab your sunglasses, and let's explore the charm of Marbella. 1. Marbella Beach, with its pristine coastline, is a true gem of the Costa del Sol. Its beauty lies in its seamless blend of natural allure and modern luxury, offering an idyllic retreat for all who visit. As you approach the beach, the golden sands stretch invitingly along the Mediterranean shore, gently kissed by the soft waves. The fine, powdery sand feels warm beneath your feet, creating a welcoming sensation that beckons you to sit back and relax. The water is a remarkable shade of turquoise, crystal clear and inviting, allowing you to see the gentle undulations of the seabed as the waves break on the shore. On calm days, the sea sparkles like a diamond, and the reflections of the sky create a serene, peaceful atmosphere. When the waves pick up, the rhythmic crashing of the surf adds a soothing soundtrack to the beach's natural beauty, while the sea breeze carries the scent of saltwater and Mediterranean flora. To the west, the golden sands are complemented by a backdrop of the majestic Sierra Blanca Mountains, creating a striking contrast between the smooth coastline and the rugged peaks. This picturesque scene offers a perfect balance of tranquility and awe-inspiring scenery. The mountains, often bathed in the soft light of the setting sun, cast a warm glow over the beach, adding to the atmosphere of relaxation. The beach, with its perfect combination of natural beauty and upscale ambience, offers a space where visitors can both relax and indulge. Whether you're engaging in water sports, strolling along the promenade, or simply lounging in the sun, Marbella Beach presents an unparalleled experience of serenity, luxury, and connection to nature. 2. Marbella Old Town Casca Antiguo. The beauty of Marbella Old Town Casca Antiguo is a captivating blend of history, charm, and timeless elegance. As you wander through its narrow, winding streets, you're transported back in time, with each cobblestone path offering a glimpse into the town's rich past. The whitewashed buildings, adorned with vibrant bougainvillea cascading down the walls, create an enchanting atmosphere, their simple yet beautiful facades a nod to traditional Andalusian architecture. The soft glow of the sun casts a warm light on these buildings, enhancing their beauty and creating a serene, almost magical ambience. At the heart of Marbella Old Town lies Plaza de los Naranjos Orange Square, a charming central square surrounded by historic buildings. The square is named after the rows of fragrant orange trees that line its perimeter, their blossoms filling the air with a subtle, sweet scent, especially in spring. The square is lined with outdoor cafes and restaurants, where visitors can enjoy a leisurely coffee or tapas while soaking in the lively, yet relaxed, atmosphere. The architecture of Marbella Old Town is a visual testament to its Moorish, Renaissance, and Baroque influences. Beautiful churches, such as Iglesia de la Encarnacion, with its striking bell tower and intricate details, stand as monuments to the town's long and diverse heritage. The bell tower, especially lit up at night, adds an air of majesty to the surroundings, while the peaceful courtyards and fountains scattered throughout the area offer a welcome respite from the heat. Walking through Marbella Old Town is like stepping into a living postcard, where history and beauty blend seamlessly. The quaint, picturesque streets and the rich cultural heritage offer a serene, almost timeless environment that captures the true essence of Marbella's spirit. Whether you're admiring the architecture, sipping a glass of wine in the square, or simply wandering aimlessly down its enchanting lanes, Marbella Old Town is a place that invites you to slow down, take a breath, and enjoy the simple beauty of life. 3. Cascada de Camojan. The Cascada de Camojan, or Camojan Waterfall, is a hidden natural treasure tucked away in the foothills of the Sierra Blanca Mountains near Marbella. The beauty of this serene waterfall lies not only in its picturesque surroundings, but in the sense of tranquility and connection to nature that it offers. As you approach the waterfall, the air is crisp and fresh, scented with the earthy fragrance of pine trees, wildflowers, and damp moss a reminder of the untouched beauty of the area. The path to the waterfall meanders through dense greenery, with the sound of rustling leaves and birdsong accompanying your journey. The vibrant vegetation, with its mix of lush shrubs, tall trees, and vibrant flora, creates a sense of immersion in nature. As you draw closer, the soft murmur of running water becomes more prominent, heightening the anticipation of reaching the waterfall itself. When you finally arrive at the Costa de Camogen, the sight is truly breathtaking. The water cascades down from a rocky cliff, tumbling in a series of gentle, graceful falls, creating a soothing, melodic sound that fills the surrounding air. The surrounding area is equally captivating, with the towering trees providing shade and framing the waterfall. The sound of the water as it tumbles down the rocks offers a peaceful, almost meditative atmosphere, making it the perfect place to pause and reconnect with nature. Visiting the Costa de Camogen is like stepping into a peaceful, secluded oasis. Its beauty is raw and unspoiled, offering a perfect escape into nature. Whether you sit quietly by the pools of water, listen to the sound of the falling stream, or simply enjoy the serenity of the surroundings, the waterfall provides a deeply calming experience, showcasing the natural splendor of Marbella and the mountains that shelter it. It's a place to feel at one with nature, where time seems to slow down, and the only thing that matters is the serene beauty of the moment. 4. Sierra Blanca. The Sierra Blanca mountain range, towering over Marbella, is a stunning natural wonder that captures the essence of Andalusia's rugged beauty. Known for its majestic peaks, lush valleys, and panoramic views, Sierra Blanca offers an immersive experience of tranquility and inspiring landscapes. As you gaze upon its slopes, the mountains seem to rise from the Mediterranean coast, their craggy ridges and towering summits creating a dramatic contrast against the bright blue sky. The beauty of Sierra Blanca is in its raw, untouched wilderness. The lower slopes are covered in dense forests of pine and cork oak, with wild rosemary and lavender scents drifting through the air, while higher altitudes give way to rocky terrain, dotted with patches of alpine flora. The rich diversity of plant life, from the vibrant wildflowers is spring to the towering pines, adds a touch of color and life to the mountain's timeless, ancient form. The Sierra Blanca is also home to a wide variety of wildlife, including mountain goats, wild boar, and birds of prey, which adds to the sense of wonder as you explore the area. The sounds of birds calling, the rustling of leaves in the wind, and the distant hum of nature create a soothing soundtrack to your journey, further enhancing the mountain's sense of serenity. Hiking through Sierra Blanca offers a deeper connection to the land. The trails wind through ancient forests, past bubbling streams, and over rugged terrain, offering an intimate view of this spectacular mountain range. Whether you're exploring the higher, rocky ridges or the lower, shaded woodlands, every corner of Sierra Blanca reveals something new and beautiful, an unexpected viewpoint, a hidden waterfall, or a peaceful valley, all waiting to be discovered. 5. Puerto Banús. Puerto Banús, located in the glamorous heart of Marbella on Spain's Costa del Sol, is a stunning harbor that epitomizes luxury and Mediterranean beauty. Surrounded by the majestic backdrop of the Sierra Blanca Mountains, this exclusive marina offers a captivating blend of turquoise waters, upscale yachts, and sun-drenched beaches. The architecture of Puerto Banús exudes a Mediterranean charm, with its whitewashed buildings adorned with terracotta roofs and vibrant flowers. Narrow, cobblestone streets lined with high-end boutiques, gourmet restaurants, and chic cafes invite visitors to stroll and indulge in the ultimate shopping and dining experience. The harbor itself is a sight to behold, with some of the world's most impressive superyachts docked alongside smaller, intimate boats, creating a lively yet sophisticated atmosphere. The glistening water reflects the bright Spanish sun, while the warm Mediterranean breeze whispers through the palm trees, enhancing the area's relaxing vibe. Whether it's the stunning views, the upscale ambience, or the elegance of its surroundings, Puerto Banús is a place where beauty, style, and relaxation intertwine, creating a timeless destination for those seeking luxury and tranquility in the heart of the Costa del Sol. 6. La Alameda Park. La Alameda Park, nestled in the heart of Marbella, is a serene and enchanting oasis that captures the essence of natural beauty and tranquility. This lush, green space, with its vibrant array of plants and flowers, offers a peaceful escape from the bustling town. Walking through the park feels like stepping into a vibrant botanical garden, where tropical palm trees, fragrant jasmine, and colorful bougainvillea are in full bloom, creating a sensory delight. The park's pathways are lined with ornate benches, inviting visitors to sit and relax while enjoying the beauty of the surroundings. Majestic fountains, with their soothing sounds, add an air of elegance and calmness to the atmosphere. The iconic marble statues, scattered throughout the park, evoke a sense of timeless charm and classical grace, adding a touch of history to the natural splendor. One of La Alameda's most captivating features is its harmonious blend of nature and culture. The park is home to a variety of Mediterranean plants, many of which are unique to the region, along with an array of lush greenery that provides a vibrant contrast to the traditional Andalusian architecture surrounding it. The gentle rustle of the leaves and the soft glow of the sun filtering through the trees create an idyllic setting for a leisurely stroll or quiet reflection. From its picturesque views of the sea to its shaded corners offering respite from the warmth of the sun, La Alameda Park is a hidden gem where nature's beauty meets Marbella's rich cultural heritage. It is a place where time slows down, and visitors can connect with the peace and beauty that defines this magnificent Mediterranean destination. 7. Bonsai Museum. The Bonsai Museum in Marbella, nestled in the heart of the city, is a hidden gem that offers a rare and captivating glimpse into the delicate art of bonsai cultivation. This tranquil museum, set within a beautifully landscaped garden, is a sanctuary of serenity and a true testament to the mastery of horticulture and design. It is one of the few museums in Europe dedicated to this ancient Japanese tradition, and its beauty lies not just in the plants themselves, but in the meticulous care and craftsmanship that brings them to life. The museum's setting adds to its beauty. Surrounded by a peaceful garden, the bonsai trees are displayed in a serene environment that enhances their delicate forms. Stone pathways wind through the space, allowing visitors to admire the trees from various angles, ensuring they can appreciate the artistry and the care that has gone into each one. The soft murmur of water from nearby fountains and the scent of flowers in the air create a harmonious atmosphere that elevates the experience. Whether you're an avid horticulturist, an art lover, or someone seeking a peaceful retreat, the Bonsai Museum in Marbella offers a captivating experience. It is a place where nature and human creativity merge, resulting in a stunning display of life in miniature. The museum's peaceful environment and the remarkable beauty of the bonsai trees make it a must-visit destination for anyone who appreciates the subtleties of nature and the artistry that can emerge from it. 8. Rally Museum Marbella. The Rally Museum in Marbella is a cultural gem that captivates visitors with its stunning collection of contemporary art, housed within a beautifully designed space. Nestled in the tranquil surroundings of the exclusive Costa del Sol, the museum stands as a testament to the beauty of artistic expression and the region's rich cultural offerings. One of the most striking aspects of the Rally Museum is its architectural beauty. The museum is set in an elegant, modernist building surrounded by lush gardens, offering a seamless blend of contemporary art and Mediterranean aesthetics. The sleek, white exterior, complemented by open courtyards and manicured greenery, invites visitors to explore the gallery in a relaxed and serene atmosphere. The light-filled spaces create a perfect environment for the art to come to life, with large windows that frame the stunning views of the gardens and distant mountains. Inside, the museum is a treasure trove of masterpieces, featuring an impressive collection of works by prominent 20th-century Latin American and European artists. The art on display is varied, ranging from vivid surrealism and abstract expressionism to striking realism and vibrant portraiture. The museum's collection is rich in diversity, showcasing works by renowned artists like Salvador Dali, Marc Chagall, and René Magritte, as well as exceptional pieces from lesser-known yet equally talented creators. The surrounding gardens of the Rally Museum also contribute to its beauty. The lush, green space, dotted with sculptures and shady alcoves, creates a serene environment where visitors can reflect on the artwork they've just viewed. The interplay of art, nature, and architecture adds a layer of tranquility to the experience, making it a perfect escape from the bustle of everyday life. 9. Villa Romana de Rio Verde. Villa Romana de Rio Verde, located near the glamorous Puerto Banús in Marbella, is a breathtaking glimpse into the ancient past, where the beauty of history, art, and nature converge. This Roman villa, with its intricate mosaics and historical significance, stands as a testament to the luxurious lifestyles once enjoyed by the Roman elite on the Andalusian coast. Villa's beauty is immediately evident in its archaeological remnants, where the rich craftsmanship of Roman artisans still dazzles. The intricate mosaics, which adorn the floors of the villa, are some of the most well-preserved in the region. These mosaics, with their vivid colors and detailed patterns, depict scenes of daily life, mythology, and nature, offering a window into the artistic and cultural richness of the Roman era. The precision and beauty of these designs, many of which have survived for nearly 2 millennia, evoke a sense of wonder and admiration for the craftsmanship of the time. As you wander through the site, you are surrounded by the remains of the villa's once grand structure. The layout of the villa, which includes grand halls, bathing areas, and courtyards, reflects the luxury and refinement of Roman living. The columns and walls, though weathered by time, still stand proudly, evoking the sense of a grand residence overlooking the beautiful countryside. Villa's serene atmosphere invites visitors to imagine the life that once unfolded here, where grand banquets and cultural events were likely held in these very spaces. The combination of ancient history, artistic beauty, and natural splendor makes the Villa Romana de Rio Verde a truly enchanting destination. It is a place where the past comes alive amidst the timeless beauty of Marbella's landscape, offering visitors a unique and peaceful journey through history. 10. Avenida del Mar. Avenida del Mar in Marbella is a captivating promenade that beautifully blends art, nature, and the vibrant spirit of the Mediterranean. This charming avenue, located between the iconic Marbella Old Town and the beach, is a place where visitors can immerse themselves in a relaxing, cultural experience while surrounded by the beauty of the natural world. The beauty of Avenida del Mar is immediately apparent in its striking layout. The avenue is lined with elegant palm trees and fragrant flowers, offering a refreshing and inviting atmosphere. As you stroll down this wide, tree-lined boulevard, the gentle sea breeze from the nearby Mediterranean creates a sense of tranquility, making it a perfect place for leisurely walks and moments of reflection. Beyond its artistic and natural beauty, Avenida del Mar is a lively hub of activity. Cafes, restaurants, and boutique shops line the avenue, offering plenty of opportunities to relax and enjoy the Mediterranean lifestyle. Whether you're sipping a coffee in a sun-dappled cafe or watching street performers entertain passers-by, the avenue has a lively yet peaceful ambience that captures the essence of Marbella's coastal charm. Avenida del Mar is a place where beauty, art, and nature seamlessly intertwine, creating a serene and inspiring atmosphere for both locals and visitors. It is a place to enjoy a leisurely walk, appreciate world-class art, and take in the breathtaking views, making it a must-visit destination in Marbella. We hope this guide helps you plan your next unforgettable trip to this beautiful Spanish paradise. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. And let us know in the comments which place in Marbella you're most excited to visit. Until next time, happy travels!